In today's video, I'll show you how to view your Dropbox history so you can track changes and recover past versions easily. Start by logging into your Dropbox account and opening the Files section. Find the file you want to check, then hover over it. You'll see 3 dots appear. Click on them to open more options. From the menu, select Activity. Here you can see details like who accessed the file and when. But if you want to go deeper, choose Version History. This opens a timeline of all saved versions of your file. Dropbox automatically keeps snapshots each time changes are made, letting you review, compare, or even restore an older version if needed. It's like digital time travel for your files, perfect for collaboration, fixing mistakes, or recovering from accidental edits. And that's it. You now know how to view Dropbox history and version history to keep your work safe and organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Dropbox tutorials.